This is gonna be stupid.
Gotta look for your container. Hey guys, I'm Karen. I'm back with my uncle, and he's doing the blindfolded.
I can't find the stuff. Where did you put all the stuff?
I look for a container.
I'm looking for a container. The containers I ain't know.
You just had it.
This is so small.
No, it's not.
Okay, fine, whatever. That's okay. This has to be. This is gonna turn out to be horrible. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you if it's coming out. It's not coming out. Okay, it's coming out. Okay.
Yeah, you were here laughing. I ain't trying to mess up nobody's kitchen.
Oh my god. Okay.
Jeez. Okay, that's that. That's the bleach. That's the bleach.
What bleach? There ain't no bleach.
No, detergent. Girl, be quiet. I'm trying to figure this out. You already got me doing this.
Okay, guys, let me just set you over here so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, here, I can do this. I can put it on my. So, as you can see, he's trying his best, but.
Oh, jeez, I'll forget this.
Okay, look for the little, like, wooden things. Because I put them there somewhere.
You didn't put no wooden things
Yes,
there.
I did! I promise I did.
That's not good.
Here, I'll help you. There.
Whoa, oh yeah.
You just... This is sad. Let me just get this out of the way, guys.
This is my container, right? Yeah, this is it. This don't even seem like I did a lot. Maybe
No, you didn't.
You're right, because I don't want to mess up nothing. This is going out. This is just horrible. Let's see how much is in here anyway. Yeah, that's not even a lot.
You keep on getting your finger in there. Okay, are you ready? I'm not. Why am I helping you?
Yeah.
You got this. Oh my gosh. All there is in there is it's gotten 2 minutes in there, and all he has is glue. And before we even started, he was already starting. And oh my gosh.
Girl, be quiet.
What?
What? How much is that?
That is like. Okay, look. Okay.
Well, you told me you ain't got no ingredients, so you ain't doing this by what we're doing is by eyeing it. I can't even eye this.
No, you
even
can't.
If I was trying to eye it, I couldn't do it correctly. So.
I'm gonna do it after you, and you can watch me. I'm gonna try. Okay. You can start kneading it.
Girl, don't be playing with me.
You can. I promise you can. Okay, guys. I think he's gotten really good. But since he's blindfolded, he didn't know what he was doing. It's really good to knead right now. But I think he made his slime. You want to open your eyes? You're done.
You didn't tell me that. I thought I had to knead this stuff blind. Jeez.
Okay, let me do it.
Jesus.
You barely put any glue in there.
Look how much that stuff I poured in there.
You put like a lot of detergent and you barely put any shaving cream in there.
Yeah? I don't know. Virginia. Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, guys, here, let me just do y'all close up here. Oh my gosh, I hate that I can't. I really need a camera. But here's what it looks like. But I'm gonna do one, and after this, I post it. He got glue on it. After I post it, there's gonna be another video on my turn, and I'm gonna try my best. Look what you're doing, Kevin. You're getting all over the counter.
This is just horrible.
Other than that, have a great day.